What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Realme C67 smartphone with us. So we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, build quality, hardware specs and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here on the front side we got this huge C67 branding, the Realme branding. On the back of the box, we got some hardware specs that it comes with 108 megapixel primary camera, we got Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 processor, we got 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt charging, 6.72 inch display with 90 Hz refresh rate, dual stereo speaker setup and the mini capsule feature. Here you can see that it comes with 8 GB RAM, 256 GB storage and the device is running on Android 14 and this is a 4G device. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. Make it real. So here we got a SIM card tray ejector pin. Here is a user manual, quick start guide, a silicon TPU case for the back panel, Realme C67 in green color. Here we got a 33 watt SuperVOOC charger and a USB Type-C cable. So these are all of the stuff we got inside the retail box of the Realme C67, the smartphone, USB Type-C cable, 33 watt charger, the quick start guide, a silicon TPU case and this SIM card tray ejector pin. So you can see how beautiful is the back panel and how beautifully it is reflecting the light from its surface. So this color variant of Realme C67 is officially called as Sunny Oasis. And there is a sticker on the display of the device. Once again, it is talking about some of the hardware specs that it comes with 8 GB RAM, we got 8 GB dynamic RAM as well, 256 GB storage, Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 processor, 108 megapixel camera, 33 watt SuperVOOC charging, and the device is 7.59 mm slim. So let's switch on the device and then we will have to go through the setup process, and after that we will have a detailed look on our Realme C67. So the setup process is completed and we are good to go with our Realme C67. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So on the front side, we got a 6.72 inch display. The side bezels are quite thin, but we got a bit of bezels at the bottom and a bit on the top as well. But considering the price segment of the device, these bezels are totally acceptable and actually quite thinner and better compared to other devices in this price segment. Realme officially claims that the screen to body ratio is 91%, but considering the amount of bezels we got at the bottom, I doubt that it is 91%. But still, as I said, it is way better compared to other smartphones in this price segment. And the top center of the device, we got this punch hole where you will find the front facing camera. Right above it, there is a tiny slit provided where you will find the earpiece. At the top you will find this tiny hole that is connected with the earpiece and it works as one of the speaker. At the bottom we got 3.5 mm jack, the primary microphone, USB Type-C port and the speaker grill. On the right side we got the power key, beneath which you will find fingerprint sensor, and then we got the volume keys. On the left side there is the SIM card tray slot where you will find 2 nano SIM card slot and a dedicated micro SD card slot that supports up to 2 TB of memory card. But the most beautiful part of the design of Realme C67 is the back panel. As you can see how beautifully it is reflecting the light and creating different colors and shades at different angles. It comes with brushed metal finish with these nice strikes that look quite beautiful and gives a very premium vibe to the device. Here we got the rear camera module where you will find these golden rings and inside which you will find the primary camera as well as the depth sensor. We got this 108 megapixel camera branding, this LED flash, and you can see we got these nice texture on the camera rings that is looking once again quite beautiful and premium. We got a bit of camera bump here at the back and because of that the device will slightly wobble if you put it on the flat surface. But if you use a case with your Realme C67, then you won't face this wobbling issue. The display of the device does not come with Gorilla Glass protection. Instead of that, we got a screen protector pre-applied on the display. It comes with a screen plastic bracket-free design, and because of that, the glass of the display merges with the frame of the device, reducing the bezels as well as giving the device a seamless, beautiful viewing experience. The glass is slightly curved at the edges, and because of that, once again, it looks quite beautiful and premium and way above its price segment. The frame as well as the back panel is made of plastic, and it comes with IP54 water and dust resistance. So overall, in terms of design and build quality, Realme C67 is pretty nice and way above its price segment in many aspects. Now talking about the display, we got a 6.72-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution, 90Hz refresh rate, huge screen to body ratio, and minimal bezels on the sides. So the display is pretty sharp and you won't feel any pixelation on the display of Realme C67. As you can see, the colors are very well saturated, quite punchy, and the display looks gorgeous. The viewing angles are quite nice as well. The typical maximum brightness is 800 nits and it can go as high as 950 nits, so you won't feel any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors. And at 90Hz refresh rate, you can see the display is quite smooth, so you will have a nice viewing experience on this device for sure. Talking about the hardware, it comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 processor. We got 256GB storage, out of which 233GB is user available once you start using the device. So 9% of the storage is preoccupied by the pre-installed ROM, apps and games. It comes with 8GB RAM and the RAM expansion feature that allows you to expand the RAM up to 8GB virtually. So you get up to 16GB of RAM on Realme C67. Talking about the software, it comes with Android 14 with Realme UI U Edition on top of it. So this is the user interface you will find. You can see that it comes with lots of Google applications along with plenty of Realme applications as well, like the weather calculator, app market. We got Realme internet browser. Here you can see that it comes with My Files, phone manager, clock, videos, music. We got plenty of third-party applications and bloatware like Facebook, Amazon, TikTok, Spotify, LinkedIn, Booking.com, WPS, etc. And we got these two folders that are linked with the Realme UI's app gallery, and it will self-populate it with the relevant apps and games. And if you would like to download and install any of them, then you can do right from this folder. The user interface is quite smooth, and you can give the credit to the 90Hz refresh rate display as well as the lightweight Realme UI U Edition. Now talking about the camera, we got an 8MP front facing camera, and on the back we got 108MP primary camera with 2MP depth sensor that is capable of recording 1080p resolution videos up to 30fps, and it comes with 3x in-sensor zoom that is supposed to be better than the plain regular digital zoom. Since this is a budget Android smartphone, it does not come with optical image stabilization. Instead of that, what Realme is providing here is DIS, that is dynamic image snapshot, and it's supposed to provide better shots of fast moving objects, reducing the shaky effect. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So what we got here is the photo mode, video mode. Here you can see that we can record 1080p resolution videos up to 30fps. So there is no 4K video recording, no 60fps video recording, but once again, considering the price segment of the device, this is quite justified. There is a dedicated street mode that enables the DIS snapshot for taking pictures of fast moving objects, and you can even select the focal length for the street photography. We got the dedicated night mode. If you go to the portrait mode, this is the combination of the bokeh effect as well as the beautification. If you go to high res mode, this is where you will be able to take the picture from the 108MP camera. And if you go to more, here you can see that we got pro mode, panorama, movie, slow motion, time lapse, text scanner, and there is tilt shift. So once again, considering the price segment of the device, we got plenty of options and features in our Realme C67 camera. And here you can see that it comes with 3x and 5x zoom toggle. The 3x performance is supposed to be pretty nice, so let's give it a try. So this is a 3x zoom picture of the retail box, and it is looking quite nice for sure. As you can see, even after zooming a lot, it is slightly pixelated for sure, slightly blurry, but not too much considering what you will usually get with the digital zoom of a budget smartphone in this price segment. So the 3x in-sensor zoom is looking quite nice, as well as the other features of the camera. But this is just a first impression video. We will have a detailed look on the camera performance of Realme C67 in our future videos, and many more videos of the Realme C67 like the gaming review, benchmarking test, comparison with other smartphones, battery charging speed test, battery drain test, etc. are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. So at the first glance, the Realme C67 is looking a very nice smartphone in its price segment and way better than other devices, as it comes with a beautiful display with nice screen to body ratio, IP54 water resistance, 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charging, Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 processor, 3.5mm jack studio speaker setup, a gorgeous looking design and back panel, and 108 megapixel rear camera with 3x in sensor zoom. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.